Yes, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Tragedy has hit Nigeria, unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, because it's being reported that a boat returning from a wedding has split in half, and unfortunately, it's being reported here that over 100, over 100 people is being said to have been killed. Some breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Abuja, Nigeria, a boat returning from a wedding has capsized, ladies and gentlemen. In the northern Nigeria, killing at least 103. The number seems to have been going up, including children, officials said. Residents and police were still searching for dozens of people who were on the overcrowded boat that capsized early Monday on the Niger River in Patigi district of Kwara, which is 160 kilometers from Ilorin, the state capital of Nigeria, according to the police spokesman. Ajaya said that 100 people had been rescued so far. Most of those who drowned were from the village. Wow. They said most of those who drowned were relatives from, several villages that attended the wedding together and partied late into the night, according to the spokesperson, the local chief. They arrived at the ceremony on motorcycle but had to leave on a local made boat after a downpour flooded the road. The boat was overloaded and close to 300 persons were in it. While they were coming, the boat hit a big log inside the water and split into two, he said. Wow. The wedding was held in a village of Egboti in the neighboring Niger state, said Osman Ibrahim, a resident. Because of the accident happening at 3 a.m., it was hours before many people knew what happened. Wow. And at night, early morning, as the passengers drowned, villagers nearby rushed to the scene and managed to rescue about 50 at first. Luke Pada said, describing early efforts to rescue the passengers as slow and very difficult. As of Tuesday afternoon, officials and locals were still searching for more bodies in the river, which is one of Nigeria's largest. Police spokesman Ajia said that the rescue operation would continue throughout the night until Wednesday. Wow, locals said that it's the deadliest boat accident they have ever seen in years. By Tuesday evening, all of the bodies recovered so far has been buried, most near the river. Wow, in accordance with the local customs, Lakupada said. Karawa Governor Abdullah Raham office issued a statement expressing sadness for the families of those who killed and say that he is continued to mourn and monitor the rescue effort already set off since Monday night in search of possible survivors. Boat accidents are common in many remote communities across Nigeria, where locals made vessels are commonly used to transport. Most accidents are attributed to the overloading and the use of poorly maintained boats. This is a tragedy in Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. And I saw this in the news and I really had to report on that. Just disturbing. Over 103 dead in Nigeria when returning from a wedding. They said it was 3 a.m. in the morning. The boat hit a large log in the ocean. So the captain never see that. A large log in the water. Split in two. And because it's so early in the morning, 3 a.m., most people sleeping. Them don't know what go on. Jah know. Rastafari. Sticking with the international news, family and friends. It seems like the US want mess with Cuba. So, let me make my cousin see a thing real quick.
Yo, big up Deep Roots TV. Cornwall and Lacoga. Don't talk.
Big up Deep Roots TV straight from out of Cornwall, St. Elizabeth. You see it? Yeah.